Hey everyone, I just wanted to come back and show you all of the bobblehead cards that I made this morning. There's the fox one. Isn't he just precious? Here's the piggy one. And I put different designs up here, different sentiments. So here's happy birthday and happy day. And then of course you saw the lion and the panda. I hope that you give these a try. These are really fun, different like little mechanisms to play with, and I'm almost done with the pack that I have, so I didn't get to make the other the flamingo, but I think I do have a few left, so I can make the flamingo. So I hope you can give this a try. If you want to see how they go together, make sure you watch the video on YouTube. And these are kind of mesmerizing, aren't they? So a lot of fun with a very little, just a little gadget that make them work. I hope you enjoy that. Tomorrow, I didn't realize, but tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo. So we are going to make a banner. We haven't made a banner in a really long time, and we're going to do it on the joy. And I have a perfect papel picado Cinco de Mayo and like a Mexican fiesta theme image set that I want to show you. So hope you can join me at 9 o'clock tomorrow. Take care. Have a great night.